Once a track is analyzed, the app begins with an overall emotional profile of the mix. It does not claim to determine the song's objective emotion. Instead, it connects measurable features of the stereo mix to possible emotional tendencies. The next section highlights 3 key findings. Each card includes an estimated tendency, a confidence label, a short explanation, and the measurement connected to that interpretation. These estimates are not grades. They are meant to explain how the reading was formed. The app then turns those findings into reversible listening experiments. Instead of telling the producer that something is wrong, it suggests a small A/B test, explains what to listen for, and names the possible trade-off. Adding low-mid body, for instance, may increase warmth while reducing clarity. The producer still decides whether the change supports the song. The final feature allows the user to choose a creative intention, such as closer, weightier, more open, more urgent, or more contrasting. The app then reorganizes its recommendations around that goal while using the same measured evidence. Here, more open is selected, so the suggestions focus on creating more spatial or spectral room without losing the emotional center of the mix. Codex accelerated the engineering workflow by working directly with the repository. I used it to build and revise React components, connect the local audio analysis flow, create the Vercel interpretation function, add the deterministic fallback, improve the interface, debug deployment issues, and add testing and verification commands. My role was to define the product problem, review the changes, test the app, and decide which implementations supported the artistic goal. GPT 5.6 powers the optional intention-aware interpretation layer. It never receives the uploaded audio. It receives only a bounded ledger of locally extracted measurements and the user's selected intention. GPT 5.6 then organizes that evidence into structured interpretations, listening experiments, expected effects, and trade-offs. If the API is unavailable, the app falls back to deterministic local rules. The result is not a scoreboard. It is an evidence-linked tool that helps developing producers connect technical mix decisions with creative intention.